In this video we're going to look at the admin interface for the 300 and 750 in-wall access points, in the 1200 ceiling access point and the outdoor CPE. All these use the same login interface, so type in admin as a login, that's the default password, click the little eye there, you can see admin, and then click login. So this is the interface, and here we can see the up and down stream. So this is the amount of data that's flowing in and out of the access point. You can see that the operation mode is access point mode. This is the mode most commonly used for this kind of thing. Down at the bottom there, CPU usage and memory usage. This is the load that the access point's under. So currently 3% and only 30% memory usage, so that's not really under much load at all. Device description. This is very handy if you are using the access point through the cloud or possibly using a gateway, so you can differentiate between each of the access points, so you know which one you're working on. And if you click settings, there you go, you can enter a name that makes sense to yourself, click apply, and there you go, in-wall AP. LAN information. This is currently getting the information from the router, so get IP from gateway. That's the LAN IP address and the usual subnet mask, and that's where it's getting the IP from. So that's the router's IP and your current MAC address. If you go to the 192.168.5.150, this will bring up the this interface that we're looking at the moment, and if you look at the top URL bar there, you can see that that's in fact the IP that we're using at the moment. Down to Wi-Fi at the bottom right, currently showing 2G Wi-Fi and no users connected. The SSID and the channel that we're currently using, and the type of encryption and the MAC address. And if we click 5G, the same information, channel 48 and no users, and that's the basic interface.